Hello, everyone. This is Kimberly Miller, your holistic health expert and owner of Healing with Excellence. This is part of my education series where I highlight and discuss a certification or a workshop so that you can learn which one is best for you to invest in. Today, I'm going to highlight the Healing Your Thyroid workshop. It's an hour-and-a-half workshop designed to teach you the basics as to how your thyroid works so that you can reverse chronic symptoms and heal your thyroid naturally. This is the foundation to healing. And it's required for anybody to really get their thyroid working at optimal function. So I want you to think of your thyroid as like an engine, and the engine in a car needs specific things, like you need your water, your oil, your gas. And if you're missing one of those things, or you're giving your vehicle what it doesn't need, it's going to cause a malfunction. And your thyroid controls your metabolism. It has to do with your body temperature, whether you're going to be able to lose weight easy or not. It can impact your heart, your mood. Pretty much everything about your body is connected to your thyroid. Nothing is separate from each other. And your thyroid needs specific fuel to operate effectively. And there's certain things you may be ingesting, injecting, inhaling, or putting on your skin that is slowing your thyroid function. So the Healing Your Thyroid course is about an hour-and-a-half long. It comes with a little cheat sheet for special tips on how to speed up or slow down thyroid function, depending on whether you're dealing with hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, or Hashimoto's. So check out this workshop if you want to learn the foundational answers to ensuring your thyroid can work effectively. Feel free to post a note, a comment. If you want to speak to any other clients who've actually healed their thyroid naturally, feel free to post and I will connect you with them. I hope you have a beautiful day and thank you again.